Hello everyone, this is our lecture number 22. In this lecture we discuss about the problem based on flanged beam. So here first we discussed about the first case which we already done in our previous lecture. So this is our numerical. We have to find moment of resistance of a T beam using following data: flange width 1500 mm, wave width 300 mm, effective depth 600 mm, tension steel 4 bars of 20 mm dia, depth of flange is 150 mm, and here we have to take M20 and Fe415. So first of all, if we have flange width is not given in our question, then we have to find the flange width. But in this question we have given flange width already, that's why this step is skipped here. Now we have to find the moment of resistance of T beam. For that we have two conditions: XU is less than DF and XU is greater than DF. So first you have to find the XU, and after that you have to check which case this question is like. So first we have to find XU. So we take general equation right now. XU is equal to 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK BF. This equation we have take here. Now here we have given 0.87 into Fy is 415, AST is 4 bars of 20 mm dia, 20 mm dia divided by 0.36 into FCK is 20 and BF is 1500. So when you solve this equations, you get 41.98 mm as a XU value. So with the help of this equation we find the XU value, and XU is 41.98, and in our question we have given DF value. This value is 150 mm. That means here we have condition is XU is less than DF. Here we have condition is XU is less than DF. So for finding the moment of resistance we directly used the formula, and the formula is MR is equal to 0.87 Fy AST D minus 0.42 XU. This is for tension, and for compression 0.36 FCK BF XU D minus 0.42 XU. But before find the moment of resistance we have to check the section of beam. Means we have to design or analyze under reinforced beam, balanced beam or over reinforced beam. For that you have to check whether XU is less than XU max, XU is greater than XU max, or XU is equal to XU max. These three conditions we have, and this condition we already discussed in our previous lectures. So for understanding the concept of this equation you have to visit our previous lecture. Here we have to find directly value of XU max, because we already find XU, and XU is equal to 41.98 mm. We have to find XU max. So XU max is equal to 0.48 into D for Fe415. So here 0.48 into D. D is effective depth and effective depth is 600. When you solve this equation, you get 288 mm as a XU max value. So here we get XU is less than XU max. That means we have to design under reinforced section. Under reinforced section. So for under reinforced section, if we have to find the moment of resistance, we have used tension side equation. We have used tension side equation. So here we use this equation and find the final moment of resistance value for this question. So put values in this equation: 0.87 into 415 into 4 bars of 20 mm dia, 600 minus 0.42 into 41.98. So this equation we have to solve, and finally we get 264.20 kilonewton meter as a moment of resistance for this question. So this is the simple question in which we get our solution in first step only. Maybe sometime you have to find XU again and again. So that question we take in our other lectures. Today we consider this question and complete the solutions. So this lecture is over, guys. We meet with another lecture. In this we solve problems depends on T-beam. Thank you, guys.